Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovett. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last. Hit on the subscribe button and be part of this community. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stepping by. In today's video, we'll be drafting out a basic body pattern. So if that is something you're interested in, please keep on watching. The first thing is to mark your shoulder line. That's the starting point. Mark a straight line. That will be your shoulder line. So from the shoulder line, you mark your full length. That's the length you want the clothes or the gown to be. Then the next, you mark your waist. Your waist, from your shoulder to your waist measurement, you mark. Then you mark your bust point from your shoulder to your bust. So you mark those 3 lines. So that's your bust point, and this is your waistline, and that's your full length. The next is to divide your shoulder measurement by 2. My shoulder measurement is 16, divided by 2, it will give you 8. Then I add 8.5, that's for the joining allowance. Then at the neck, I use 3.5. At the shoulder, you come down by 1 inch, that's for your shoulder slope. You come down by 1 inch. Then 7 inches for the armhole. 7 or 8 inches is for an average person. So that 7 inches is now my chest line. My chest line. Next is to mark the depth of your neck. I use 4, but you can make it as deep as you want. Divide your bust measurement by 4. So my bust is 36, divided by 4 will give me 9. And mark 9. Then you add your 2 inches allowance, guys. Then your waist measurement divided by 4. Then you add your 2 inches allowance. At the down, your hip measurement divided by 4. Then you add your 2 inches allowance. Always add your 2 inches allowance. Then at the shoulder, you connect your shoulder measurement to meet your chest line. Then at the middle, you come in by half inch. Come in by half inch at the middle. Then you connect that 3 dots together and use your curve rule to curve. If you don't have a curve rule, you can still use your free hand. It's no big deal. Then I'm just connecting the shapes. Connecting the allowance as well. Guys, always make sure you put your allowance. Just using that for the full length. So the next thing is to get your dart. And to get your dart, you need your nipple to nipple measurement. That's called the bust span. So my bust span is 8. Divided by 2, it will give you 4. So you connect the line from the bust point to the full length. Next, at the waist, you come out by half inch at the 2 sides. At the waist, guys, at the waist. Then you come up by 3 inch at the down, and you connect them together. Connect them together. And you connect it to the bust point too. Just look at what I'm doing and you understand it. Yeah, so that is all for the front pattern. So what we need to do now is to just cut it out. just realized that the back will not be enough, so I just have to reduce the length. So at the back, you remove your 2 inches for zip allowance. Then you connect them. Then you place the front at the back. So this part is the zip allowance. The next is to come at the shoulder and add 1.5 inch. I'm just trying to trace out the front basic. So at the top of the shoulder, back shoulder, you add 1.5 inch, and this is because the front and the back lengths are not equal. The measurement is not equal, so that's 1.5 inch will make it, after sewing, it will make it equal. So I'm just trying to indicate the waist and as well the bust points. Just going to cut out the side. Just going to trace out the front from the back bodice. Next is to indicate how deep you want the back to be. I'm using 3 inches. You can use any number from 4, 5, 6, but I'm using 3 inches. I don't want this one to be too deep. And then you cut out. Mark out your waistline and your bust point line. So we just want to get the darts. You come to your bust span 4 inches, do the same thing as your bust point and the same thing at the down. So you connect it just like you did in the front basic body. Then you come out by 1/2 inch, come out by 1/2 inch. Then you connect it, measure 3 at the down and connect. So that is all, guys. That is all for the basic body pattern drafting. That is all for it. The shoulder will be folded this way. So you see, that is all for the basic body pattern. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.